Hi, I'm Ed Wallace, a partner at Thornton and Nomis. If you've been in an automobile accident, your insurance company isn't necessarily your friend. You need the experience of an attorney to help you navigate through the obstacles of auto insurance claims. No matter how serious an accident, victims and their families often have many questions, such as, who will pay the bills? What will happen if I can't work? What will happen to my medical benefits? What will happen if the other driver doesn't have insurance? What do I need to do to protect my family? Our attorneys have the experience to help you answer those questions. We use our knowledge to speed up claims, getting you the benefits you need in a timely fashion. We have also handled many cases that involve critical and disabling injuries, including those that prove fatal. We have worked on accidents that occur while crossing the street, to multiple car pileups to those involving drunk drivers. We speak with toxicologists, automotive engineers, and a number of experts to investigate all the facts concerning your auto accident cases. If you or a family member was involved in an accident, contact us at Thornton and Nomis, and one of our attorneys will be sure to answer any of your questions.